Hey guys, welcome back to another Trader Joe's haul. Now I know there's some new faces because my queen, Jessica Braun, mentioned me in one of her Trader Joe's videos, and if you already watched me, you know that I died over that, and a lot of you messaged me, so thank you. But I loved Jessica Braun, the fact that she watched my video and then shouted out I can't even talk about it. What we can talk about is my candy corn headband. I got it at Walgreens for $5 and it was the best purchase of the year so far. And that's including the dog. So it's been a while since I did a Trader Joe's haul. My apologies about that, but I have a good one for you today. It's a lot of new things. I went with like a lot of new things on my wish list, got them all. So let's just accept, well, it's not new because I already have it, but except for the butternut squash mac and cheese, they were out. And I texted Bradley, this is why we prepare early, because it sells out and then I'm upset. I need more. I need at least 20 boxes by the end of the season stashed in the freezer. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into what I got. So this is a roundup of everything. I mostly went to get a few produce things, but then also a bunch of new stuff. And if you're curious, we spent $123. So kind of pricey for the amount we got, but you know, it is the season. So Bradley asked for some zucchini, so I got him that. Big bag of potatoes. We used to get the mini Yukon Gold potatoes, and now we get just this big bag of gold potatoes because they're $1 more and you get more, so we're like, okay. I was very excited to try this, the Harvest Apple Salad Kit. Spring Mix, which we're obsessed with right now. Unexpected cheddar cheese. I didn't even read this in the store, oh my god. Apple cinnamon crisp and pecans with apple vinaigrette. Wow. Cannot wait. Something else I was very excited for is this holiday vegetable hash. It has butternut squash, sweet potato, red onion, celery, parsley, sage, and rosemary. And it says great for sauteing or adding to soups and stuffings. I just thought we could saute it and just like eat it as like a hash. But also would be great for, okay, I'm just repeating it. But I was really excited to try this and I was happy they had it. You cannot have that toy. All you do is eat it, okay? Let it go. Let it go. They have the colorful radishes again. It's the radishes of many colors. They're like pink, white, and purple. They're really pretty. And I like to make radish chips, especially because I bought dill. So I was like, oh, okay, I can make that this week. Which I believe I have a video on how I make radish chips. I will link that up in the corner. They're really, really tasty. I want to make some soups coming up, so I got some celery and carrots, and also I use carrots in a lot of things, and celery as well. The fresh cut mango still looked like juicy and in season. I always say that like when you get this, you have to look for like the extra dark mango because that's the juicy good ones, that's the ripe ones. So found one and I was like, yes. Get down, please. Thank you. I found some very fun gourds that I'll just decorate with this kind of like long acorn shaped one. And then my personal favorite. Like, how cool is he? Oh, he looks so cool already, and then he has the cool stem. Loved it. This was just very, like, Tim Burton to me, so I needed it. Got some honey crisp apples, red bell pepper. This time of year, they come out with, like, the mixed medley cherry tomatoes, so I got that. There's, like, orange and yellow in there as well. Some diced onions, some dill, like I said. My dill that I grew from seed was doing so well, and then it died in the extreme heat, and I don't want to talk about it. Got some avocados, of course. Now we're in the newness section, or just, like, seasonal items, so one of my favorite things that I got, well, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm most excited to try, are these organic caprese raviolis. I love anything caprese, and they're so pretty, and just, I love ravioli, so I'm excited to try this. So, okay. A seasonal staple from Trader Joe's are the Ghosts and Bats crispy potato snacks. If I remember correctly, it's been a while since we've got them. They're kind of like Pringles, but they're just in like ghost and bat shapes. They're very cute, so I needed those. This I've passed on the last few times. It's the PB&J snack duo because I follow an Instagram. If you're on Weight Watchers, it's a Trader Joe's Weight Watchers Instagram. It's incredible. I will put, I don't know what it's called, but I'll put the handle right there. But these are 10 points per thing, so I avoided them. And I'm still going to avoid them, but my sister gave me and Bradley a couple to try, and Bradley was obsessed with them, so I got them for him, and he'll just have to give me like one little bite. But these cookies are basically like special cookies, but filled with peanut butter, and then you dip them in raspberry like jam. And they were really good. I tried a bite, and they were so good, so yeah. Got a couple of beauty things. My sister-in-law recommended this to me, and I'd never seen it before, but then of course it was in store, so I got one. It's the Head to Toe Moisturizing Balm. Very excited to try that. Of course, I usually just pick up whatever candle they have, and I do love the Honey Crisp Apple one, so I picked up that. And then I've been raving lately about the Nourish line, and they just came out with a hydrating hyaluronic body gel cream. So I am very excited to try that. I've wanted to try this for a while, but we didn't have it. Now we do. It's the Gobbler Quesadilla Mozzarella cheese, roasted turkey breast, butternut squash, cranberries, and kale in a flour tortilla. It just sounded fun and delicious. Something about butternut squash or like sweet potato in tortillas, like tacos, like that, I love that. So I'm excited to try that. I'm just now coming around to dark chocolate, and these I've seen incredible reviews on, so it's like, let's try them. I love like a peanut butter cup in the fridge, so I'm excited to put those in there and just snack on these. But they are dark chocolate sunflower seed butter cups, and how cute is the packaging, so I'm excited to try that. My sincerest apologies if things look and sound different, but my phone or my camera just died, and I would wait till like the battery charges, but I gotta put this crap away, so we're just gonna press on. But I got these apple fruit snacks. I love a fruit snack, and those looked cute, and I wanted to try them. These are a seasonal fave, the chocolate mousse pumpkins. These are so freaking good. They are a splurge on Weight Watchers. I think it's 5 points for just one. But it's just basically like a little mousse cake. It's really, really good. And how cute are they? Picked up some cards just because I'm like now obsessed with their seasonal cards. These are both for like Thanksgiving. It says made today, be filled. And then on the inside it says something about pie. Super cute. And then this one, on the inside it just says hi there, but it had a little hedgehog. I can't resist a hedgehog. So many of you messaged me about the pumpkin spice batons, so I finally had those. We picked them up. They're just basically special cookies, but pumpkin spice versions, so that's exciting. And then, I don't even know if Bradley was interested in this, but I'm interested to try it. It's the coffee peanut butter cup porter. It's beer with like coffee and peanut butter cup in it, so I want a dog. So I'm excited to try that. I enjoyed the cookie beer, or cookie butter beer taste, so I wanted to taste that. These are new grainless cassava and coconut tortilla chips. I haven't even scanned them into Weight Watchers, honestly, but if they're less points than normal tortilla chips, I'll be happy. Just any sort of vehicle to get salsa and guacamole in my mouth is great, so I just wanted to try these out. Bradley wanted some coffee cups, so I got him some of those. And then, ooh, this is a new favorite, the light brie cheese. I've been in like a cheese cracker pepperoni mood. A few weeks ago we got the light brie, and I couldn't even taste a difference. It tastes like normal brie. It's so good, so I got a chunk of that. And then also some pepperoni. We like to snack on pepperoni, but also make pizza toast, so I wanted to have that on hand as well. Then also one of my new favorite items is the organic garlic naan crackers. We've already gone through 2 of these, I think. They're so good. I got this red bell pepper spread dip from Ralph's, and I just like dip these in that and in the brie cheese, and it's just so good. So got another box of that. Bradley needed his organic corn chip dippers, so I picked him up some of those. And he also mentioned he was missing the organic mixed berry granola bites. These are really good. They're just little balls of like mixed berry and granola. They're tasty, and they come in like individual pouches, so they're good for on the go. Not that any of us are going anywhere, but he also wanted some wine, so I got him a cab, another bag of the Many Things snack mix. It's just my fave. I didn't know if we needed this, but I was like, I'm here, so I'm getting it. It's the garlic spread dip. One of you guys did leave a comment saying that like they kind of spoil quickly. I haven't had that experience yet, but I don't know, let me know if you have. But this stuff is so good, you guys. If you haven't tried it yet, still, you must. We got some ground turkey breast. We like to just always have some in the freezer, and we just recently used ours up. And then lastly, I just got some plain bagels, mostly, I don't know, Bradley can use them if he wants to just put butter or the pumpkin cream cheese. I thought that would be good. So yeah, guys, that is everything I got. I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed a peek at what we got. If you want more Trader Joe's hauls, I will link them up in the corner. I'm kind of thinking about doing like a top 10 fall items from Trader Joe's. Let me know. I mean, obviously you guys are gonna go crazy over that. But just like I've tried some things I haven't liked, and I've tried some things I've really liked. So I'm thinking about doing that. But yeah, so just stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you'd like. I'll have some more videos you can click and watch if you want to, and my face you can subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.